Hi guys, today I have these awesome tie and dye nails for you. So if you want to see how I did them, then keep watching. So guys, I have already done my extension, and if you want to see how I did them, then check out my previous video. I'll be using Born Pretty Store's gel polish, Blow My Whistle from their Endless Love series. I will apply 2 coats of polish, curing each layer in an LED lamp. This is how the nails look after application of 2 coats of gel polish. Next, I'll be using these DIY inks to create the design. I will be applying these inks randomly. So this is how the nails look after random application of inks. Next, I'll be using Matrix Gel by Blue Sky in shade Black Olive. So these are the nails after application of Matrix Gel. To seal off the design, I'll be using Matte Top Coat by Tertio. So guys, this is the final look. I'm so happy how these nails have turned out. They look like a cool tie and dye nails, right? One thing I would like to talk about Tertio Matte Top Coat is that I am in love with this top coat. It gives such a smooth matte finish. It doesn't give a satin finish, a pure matte finish. And so if you want to try a matte top coat, a gel matte top coat to give such a finish, then do give this Tertio Matte Top Coat a try. So guys, I hope you must have liked the video, and if you did, then do give a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye. See you in the next video.